Hello students, in the previous lecture we started the chapter linear inequation. In that we have done first type of question in which a simple linear inequation is given and we represented it on the number line. Now we are starting with the next type of questions in which two linear inequations are given in the combined form, and then we have to solve them and find their common solution in that case. I am taking question number 12 of exercise 4. Minus 3 is less than 2x minus 1 is less than x plus 4 and x belongs to integers. So in this case, first we are going to take this linear inequation, the first one, and then we are going to separate the second. So in this way we will be having two linear inequations in one question. So first I am taking this minus 3 is less than 2x minus 1. Then you have to simplify it as you have done in the previous questions. Solving this, we are getting x is greater than minus 1. Similarly, now we are taking the second set of linear inequation. This is 2x minus 1 is less than x plus 4. So from this we are getting x is less than 5. Now there are two conditions on x. We are going to combine these two conditions on x and find the solution. So what do we have here is x is what? It is belonging to integers and it is greater than minus 1 and less than 5. So we are going to take those integers which are greater than minus 1 and less than 5. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we are going to represent it on the number line. The same representation of integers, only these particular points will be darkened. So this is the number line representation. So in this, it is very important to write down the solution set. You have to give the integers which are satisfying this condition. Now see, next question number 16. Minus 2 is less than equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 and it is less than 1 is to 5 by 6. So again, first we are going to take this linear inequation and then we are going to take this second linear inequation. So simplifying this as we did in the previous questions, taking the LCM, then taking LCM to the left hand side and simplifying it, we are getting x is less than equal to 15 upon 4 or x is less than equal to 3.75. Similarly, we are going to solve the second linear inequation. This is 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less than 1 is to 5 by 6. Simplifying this, we are getting x is greater than minus 2. So the condition on x is that it is greater than minus 2 and less than equal to 3.75 and it belongs to integers. So we'll find out the integers which satisfy this condition. You will be having the integer next to minus 1 greater than integer greater than minus 2 is now minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3. We have to take up to less than equal to 3.75, so it is 3. Now represent them on the number line. This is minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is the solution. Again, I am reminding you one thing very important. 1 mark is given for this solution set. You have to write down the solution set in this. Now see next question number 23. Again we are having linear inequation. Now in this case we have the condition that x belongs to set of real numbers. So the method of solving the linear inequation is same. Again separate this and the second one will be this linear inequation. So by solving the first one, we are getting that x is greater than equal to 2.5. And then by solving the second, we are getting x is greater than minus 0.5. So now in this, we are going to write the solution set as what? X is greater than equal to 2.5 and the second condition is x is greater than minus 0.5. So in this case we have to find those values of x which satisfy both the conditions. Now see, if I am taking any integer greater than minus 0.5, suppose I am taking x equal to 0. Now x equal to 0 is satisfying this condition, but it does not satisfy the condition that it is greater than equal to 2.5. So this means in this case the solution will be x is greater than equal to 2.5, because if we take any real number which is greater than 2.5, it will definitely be greater than minus 0.5. So if you get solution something like this, in this case you have to find out the particular one which satisfied by both. So in this case x greater than equal to 2.5 will be the solution. Now see how you are going to represent it on the number line. This is the point exactly between 2 and 3. You will mark this point and write it as 2.5. It is very important to write down this point. Then darken this point and if it is greater than equal to 2.5 and going up to what, plus infinity. So we have darkened this 2.5 and then dark it up to the arrow, so that means it goes up to the plus infinity. Okay, now see next question number 27. In this we have 4x minus 19 is less than 3x upon 5 minus 2. So this is the first inequation and this will be the second inequation. In the same manner you are going to solve the first linear inequation. We are getting answer x is less than 5, and then by taking the second linear equation we are getting the answer x is greater than equal to minus 4. Again I am reminding you one thing important about this is if we are dividing by a negative number, the sign of inequality changes. This less than equal to has become greater than equal to. So we are getting x is greater than equal to minus 4 and x is less than 5. So in this case the combined solution will be written like this. The solution set is x such that this minus 4 is less than equal to x is less than 5 and x belongs to set of real numbers. Now the case in which one is greater than other is less than, it is very easy to write. You will write x in between when you are writing the solution set, and in this case we are having arrows like this. This is minus 4 here and this is less than 5. So this is how you are going to combine the two solution and write it finally. This is to be written like this and mention that x belongs to set of real numbers. Now see the representation on the number line. Minus 4 is included here, so a dark circle on minus 4. 5 is not included, so a hollow circle on 5, and between them darken the complete number line. So this is the solution. Greater than equal to minus 4 and less than 5 we are having. Okay, now see the last question we have here is question number 32. In this a is given x belongs to R and this is the linear inequation, and similarly for b inequation is 8x minus 9 is greater than equal to 15 plus 2x. You have to find a intersection b and represent it on the number line. So the first thing is we need to find out what is a and what is b. For that I have solved these linear inequation. Here we are getting x is greater than 2. Similarly, by solving the second one, we are getting x is greater than equal to 4. Now again, one is x is greater than 2, other one is x is greater than equal to 4. So in this case, the common solution we will be finding with x is greater than equal to 4. Because if we are taking any number which is greater than equal to 4, definitely it will be greater than 2. So I have written here a is x such that x is greater than 2 and x belongs to R. B is x is greater than equal to 4 and x belongs to R. Now we have to take a intersection b. Intersection means common. What is common among them is x greater than equal to 4. So this is the solution we'll be having. So highlight this 4 and greater than equal to 4 means this will be highlighted towards the right hand side up to arrow. So this is how you have to do the questions. So try this exercise 4 till the next video is uploaded. Thank you, students.